Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Minecraft Launcher sign-in error code 0x800704cf. You'll need the internet for this on PC. First, start Microsoft Account Sign-In Assistant. Type services in search, open it, find the service, set it to automatic, click apply, start, then restart it. Relaunch Minecraft and try signing in. Next, type anytcpl.cpl, go to Advanced tab, and make sure TLS 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, and 1.3 are all enabled. Click Apply and OK, then try again. Now run network repair commands. Open command prompt as administrator and run ipconfig flushdns netsh winsock reset netsh int ip reset. Restart your PC after this. If it still fails, switch to another network or use a mobile hotspot, then relaunch the launcher. Next, try the legacy launcher. Download it from the official Minecraft site and test sign in there. Now run Gaming Services Repair Tool from Xbox app or Microsoft website and complete the repair. Next, clear Xbox identity cache. Go to seed/users/your name/appdata/local packages/Microsoft. Xbox identity provider/AC token broker and delete all files. Then open Credential Manager, go to Windows Credentials, and remove Microsoft, XBL, or Xbox-related entries. Restart your PC. Now go to Settings for Accounts, Sign-in Options, and turn off Automatic Sign-in features. Also disable App Backup if enabled. Make sure you are signed in with the same account on Microsoft Store and Xbox app, then use that same account in Minecraft Launcher. Also check date and time settings. Enable automatic time, sync it, and ensure correct region. Next, run PowerShell as administrator and reinstall default apps using the command provided in the description. If nothing works, uninstall and reinstall Minecraft Launcher from the official site or Microsoft Store. One of these steps should fix the issue. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.